everyone, Waze here back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a galaxy makeup look. And the reason I wanted to do one is because I did it once when I was practicing this look, but I haven't done it for a video yet. And so what I'm thinking is we're just going to do like half of our face as galaxy, and then the other half would just be normal cute makeup. But without further ado, I have 4 palettes open in front of me, and let's see how this attempt goes. So the first palette that we're going to be using is my Aquarius palette, just because it has a lot of blues. And we're going to take our lightest blue and our blue with a little bit of purple in it and just bring that right to the inside of our eye. I'm sorry if I don't do this justice. I literally did this kind of style months ago, so I don't remember exactly how I did it. But I mean, it'll be an experience for those of you watching, so this will be a very beginner way of doing kind of a galaxy on your face if you ever wanted to do it like me. I know it's something that a lot of people want to do because it's like a cool, trendy thing, but making it look nice is always kind of hard. Ooh, thinking Phantom of the Opera kind of mask moment going on right now. So now that we have that really strong line, let's go in with our Tropical Glow palette. We're going to use our 2 purples. We're going to start with the shimmery one because I want to kind of bring in that blending between shades of colors. The one thing I do know about Galaxy looks is it has a lot of purples and pinks. So I'm really going to have to go over this light blue to make sure that the pink overshadows it a little bit. And for this look, I think I need to switch brushes a lot more often just because of the intricacies of colors. It's going to start blending together into one nasty shade if I don't start to create that extra texture. And so see, all we're doing right now is we're just tapping in color. And we're trying to bring in some pink now. And so we're using the matte pink from our Tropical Glow palette. And we're really just pushing that in. This is probably why I get a lot of zits, because I play with makeup a lot. Okay, I think we're getting there. It's a little too pink, so we're gonna go in with one of our, that was my water bottle. We're gonna go in with our New View palette, and we're gonna use like one of these shades to kind of lighten up the color of my face. I'm probably like super quiet, and I'm sorry about that. I just really want to get this look right. I don't want it to be like a fail, you know? Alright, so this blue is actually not working out. So I'm going to try my best to kind of cover it up with a nude color, just so it stops sticking out like a sore thumb. And the one thing about Galaxy colors is that they're very shimmery, so I'm definitely going to have to go in a second with my shimmers to make sure that these colors start to pop and give us that little galaxy edge. I just wanted to matte it out a little bit, so. I almost said it's a very pink eye moment, but I was gonna try to say it's like almost a very pink version of Phantom of the Opera with the mask. So I'm just dumb. Okay, I think we're good with that. So now we're gonna go back into this nude color right here. Okay, it's still super duper pink. I was putting this glitter on my face. I have to take it off somehow. So that's gonna be fun. Alright, so now we're gonna take another brush and we're gonna start trying to make star-like objects on my face. My least favorite part. Alright, so I think with the stars it's actually looking pretty good. I'm just trying to add some depth in it by adding some purple, because right now it's very pink and sparkly. I have work in an hour, so I'm gonna have to like take this all off, but I think we did a pretty good job despite the fact that I don't have a lot of makeup options right here. Alright, and then I'm gonna put some pink over it just to tone down the quick separation between pink and purple. I think the thing I miss with these palettes is just like not having all of my transition shades and my shimmer shades, because these palettes are very small and these palettes aren't really my favorite, so I rarely use them, so it's a little bit harder to get the effects I'm working toward. Alright, now we're gonna do our eyeshadow, which is gonna be pretty simple. So we're gonna take purple in our inner corner. And then we're gonna use the shimmer and matte pink. I'm gonna buff that in the center. Kind of like it's popping out of the purple. Alright, we're gonna surround it by a little bit more purple because purple's blending. And then we're gonna bring some shimmer into it. The inner corner. I like that I did this entire look without even doing my brows. Okay, and then maybe I can do a star. Maybe. Alright, and now we're gonna fix my brow just because it's really noticeable how bad it is today. Alright, I didn't really want to mess with this one just because it's like in the little galaxy, I guess. So this is a look that we've come up with. Mom, I will brush my hair after this video. I know you'll probably be annoyed. I think like from afar, it's actually pretty good from far away. I'll insert what the other one looked like when I did it when I was still at home versus this one. You'll tell me which one's better. I think the one in Florida was better because I had more things to work with, but this one's not that bad, especially if you're a beginner. It's a really easy little trick. I know one of my friends, she said she struggles with doing galaxies, but I think hopefully this video works. It just takes a lot of purple, a lot of pink, a lot of shimmer, and then some like light white shade for the stars. But anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share. Okay, I need to stop doing that. Hold on. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!